Tata Neu is providing free products for everyone. Interested to know how to get free products from Tata Neu? Let's check out. Yes, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. Today we'll see one of the product that I've got for free on Tata Neu. You all know what is Tata Neu. Tata Neu is an app, online store. It is a compilation of all the apps. You can check out Tata Neu. So from Tata Neu, this is one of the product, that is Malabar parota, which I've got for free. As you see in the picture, this was the packing, and there are no added preservatives, no added flavors. It's just an authentic parota. It's ready to cook. As you see in the picture, I've got 2 parotas. These are vegan size. And as we see in the market, we have parota with layers, right? You can observe here the layers of parota. And after frying, we'll check out whether the layers are visible or not. And it just tastes like authentic parota. You can try it once. And hands off to the makers for this wonderful ready-to-cook product in our midst. Okay, without any delay, we'll see how to have crispy parota as per the instructions given on the pack. Turn on the flame and grease the pan as shown in the picture with oil or ghee. As per the instructions, ghee was given, so I have put ghee. After putting ghee into the pan, you wait, let the tawa heat, and once it gets hot, you just put the parota as shown in the picture and just wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Please note, you turn on the flame on high. As shown in the picture, you got to move the parota to all the sides of the pan. And now you flip the parota as shown in the picture. After 2 minutes, see how crispy it is. It looks so delicious, right? And the taste is also awesome, just we have in restaurants or any other eatery you have nearby. Now it is ready to serve. Hot parota is ready. And you see here, with your hand, you just do as shown in the picture from all the 4 sides to see layers on parota. Are they visible? I'll show you here. You can check out. See how are the layers that are on parota. Did you like this? Okay. If you want one, you can order. I'll show you how. As shown in the picture, go to Tata Neu app. Go to grocery. Big basket this is. If you have big basket app, you can try out this offer over there. But I have tried in Tata Neu. So after you click on grocery section, you can see shop by category. Page would be available for you. And you can click on offers to see the offers that are right now. After you click on offers, you see here, you can add to cart any item. Click on add to add the product to the cart, and thereafter you can click on basket as shown in the picture and view the basket. It will tell you what is the minimum order amount to be there in the basket to get a free product. As you see in the picture, it is asking me to add 199 rupees product to have free product parota. Again, I repeat the process. You just have to add any product to the cart and it will show you a free product that has been included along with your product added, and it will say the minimum order also to be placed to get the free product. Hope it's clear. As you see in the picture, my minimum order was 199 rupees to get this free product of parota, and some have a minimum order for 99 rupees and they'll be getting free product. You can check out with the minimum order that will be given in the cart after adding the product to the cart. Okay, not only parota, even many other products you are getting for free. As you see in the picture, here we have got potatoes as free. So you can check out and order free products on Tata New. If you have got any doubts, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, do subscribe and stay connected to Flying Skies One. Have a good day. Keep smiling.